Would you live in Hayward? After you check out these brand new townhomes, you may want to. I'm Gabriela, your local realtor, and I want to take you inside Hayward's newest homes, the Fusion Collection. 55 newly built 3-bedroom townhomes, including 9 live work homes. Open floor plan designs range from about 1,700 to 2,400 square feet. 6 different floor plans to choose from, and all starting in the low 900s. I don't think I need to do much talking about these homes. They truly speak for themselves. Go check it out. Conveniently located near BART, popular trails, and Cal States Bay. Just a short drive from downtown Hayward shops and restaurant. You really do see why they call Hayward the heart of the Bay. But before you run off to check this out, remember that you need a realtor with you on your first visit. So contact me to schedule a tour and discover all that these beautiful homes have to offer.